Hello everyone, it's me ASMR welcoming you to my new AI tutorial, and I'm gonna show you the tricks of making the Indian type photographies, and which is for the bride and other stuffs. I'm using here the tools which is the Midjourney. I got the result like that. I want to share the prompt with you. Already I made this prompt and I'll copy this one and I'm going to this prompt section and backslash imagine prompt and making this one paste and just giving that prompt. During the prompt generation, let's see what we got earlier. So this photo, this one is the another favorite photo of this prompt. This one, the same prompt, we got the result. This prompt, this photo, we got that from the prompt, and this one as well. And this one is the ideal, like a bright type photo. And here 4 options, which is really amazing, and those are for the ornament, or if you want to create the Indian type, everything. I have a folder. If I share with you this folder, let's see what I got the result from there. Here, so this one is our new generation. Already we got this one. Open in browser, it will open up in browser actually. So we got 1, 2, 3 and 4, these 4 options from the Midjourney. So this one, like ornaments are perfect, this one perfect, and the light and everything is perfect, ornament and dresses. So what we given the prompt, let's see and analyze. This one, first portion, beautiful Bangladeshi woman, this one is the one portion. Ornate, this one is another options, and the dark nautical, and the art close up, V-ray rendering, and the grainy. So hue colors, I given this one, the Halloween, full moon lighting, that's why we got the lighting like full moon, and the realistic dramatic lighting. This one or this portion refers you like what lighting will be. Cinematic quality, that means this one is giving you the quality and the render quality which will be, and the 4K as well. And finally we got this result, 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can try this prompt, and what result will come, please do comment on my video comment section. Until the next video, ASMR, I'm signing out. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers, and bye bye.